We speak now about how to create or design a chart which represent some relation or some table of data. Now we have a simple relation between the arid area in Egypt and the population area in Egypt. Now these cells, two cells, we will merge here these two cells. Control Z. Merge in center. Okay. The arid area in Egypt is about 93%, and the population area, which is very small, is about 7%, which is around the Nile. Okay, so this in yellow, okay, and this is in this color is good. Yes, okay. Now we need to represent this data in a chart, so we'll select insert, then in this tab charts we need this type of chart, which is a pie chart. Here there are many types of chart. We will select this type. We can this one or this one. This one is nice, I think this good one. Okay, so we'll rename the title here chart for right here, chart of the relation between the arid area and the population area in Egypt. It's very important in the Capstone project, which is related to the arid area and population gradient challenge. So we can back here and make it bold. This one, text box, select it, bold. Select these colors. Okay, increase the size of the font. It affect the diagram. Okay, now okay, and we also do this in this one, red color. Okay, and we make it bold and increase the size. Increase also, increase, but it affects the color of the chart. We can like this one. Okay, yeah, I think it's good now. Okay, this is the title of the chart. This is a chart which here is the values. Okay, okay, type. Thank you.